Hello everyone, this is Jyoti from Vidwan Education Services. Nowadays, English is becoming more and more common in the world, as a result of which people are consciously dedicating their time to this language, as it helps us to progress in life professionally and personally too. Now a question arises in our minds that why learning English is so much important? What is the significance of learning this language? So it's very well known to us that English language has been regarded as the international language to communicate in various fields, ranging from business to entertainment to education and to move to abroad too. English language opens an ocean of career opportunities for those who are very convenient with this language, who can speak this language very fluently. So on the basis of which Vidwan Education Services is going to introduce our new series of English language learning, in which, to make you people better understand, we have divided our course in two phases. The first one is Foundation Builder phase and the second one is the Shining phase. In Foundation Builder phase, we are going to make you people familiar with grammar, rules and regulation of the grammar, pronunciation, accent, words, vocabulary, conversation. Definitely writing and reading phases will be enlightened too. On the basis of individual's skill sets, he or she will be moved to the next phase, which is the Shining phase, in which the personality of the individual will be polished with the aid of group discussions, personal interviews, writing blogs, audios, visuals, extempore, conversation, communication, etc. It's our effort to make you people approach the limits which were seen to be barriers once upon a time. So to join our course, please contact us on the number given on the screen, which is 87087420037. Thank you.